everyone, welcome back to Sum's Kitchen, and today Sum's Kitchen is taking you to Bangalore in Vidya's kitchen, where she is sharing a very special recipe that she has learned from her mother, a authentic vada recipe. To see how she prepared the vada that she has learned from her mother, we have to go to Vidya's kitchen, Bangalore.
Hi friends, I'm Vidya. Today I'm going to teach you all the traditional recipe vada and coconut chutney, and it's my mom's recipe. I would love to share with you all, and let's go to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Now let's look at ingredients for the vadas. 1 cup soaked chana dal, split chana dal, 20 to 30 numbers of shallots. If you don't get this, optional you can take a 2 number big onion, 2-inch ginger, 6 to 7 numbers garlic, 5 to 6 numbers green chili. This also according to your taste you can adjust it, and half teaspoon saunf, curry leaves few, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup fresh coriander leaves, oil for frying. Now let's start cooking. First we have to drain the chana dal and keep it separately. Put in the mixie jar salt, saunf, green chili, garlic, ginger. After grinding all these 5 ingredients, now add chana dal, and that also coarsely you grind it. Don't add any water to the mixie. And later we have to chop the onions finely, and coriander leaves also finely we have to chop, and curry patta also we have to chop finely. Now I have added 5 ingredients. I am going to coarsely grind this one. Now I have grinded these 5 ingredients coarsely, and I am going to put this one in the bowl. Now I have grinded the chana dal coarsely. You should not grind finely. It has to be coarsely only, then only the vadas will come crispy. And finely chopped small onions, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped curry leaves. And I am going to mix all these things in the bowl. Next, adding chopped onions. And this is the most important tip. If you use the shallots, then the vadas will get very tasty and traditionally. And now I am going to add finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped curry patta. Now we have to mix it by hand nicely. Now we have to roll them into balls. Let's pour oil for frying the vadas. Now oil is very hot. We'll start cooking vadas. I'll be making the vadas in the hand only. First, wet your hands with the water and take this ball and press gently. Every time you have to wet it. Now slowly flip the vadas. Now this vadas has to fry until golden color. Meanwhile, I'll show the ingredients for coconut chutney. Half cup freshly grated coconut. Without peeling, 5 numbers garlic. Little for tadka ke liye we have mustard and urud dal, 1 teaspoon, few curry leaves, little salt for taste, 4 teaspoon roasted chana dal. You can ask chutney dal also in the shop, you will get it. 5 numbers green chilli. Now I am going to add salt, green chilli, freshly grated coconut and roasted chana dal. I am going to grind this one without water first. Coarsely I have grinded these things and I am going to add now garlic, few strings curry leaves. With this I am going to add little water. Add little water to grind it. I am going to transfer to the bowl. For chutney, you just add little 2 to 3 teaspoon water and mix it. Now our vadas are ready to serve. Now let's do the tadka for coconut chutney. I have added 1.5 teaspoon oil, normal oil. Now add mustard and urad dal. Let it fry well. Mustard has splitted and we'll add curry leaves. Let's add this tadka to the nariyal chutney. Mix this well and serve with vadas. Here we go, hot vadas with coconut chutney and best combination with this filter coffee. Please do try. Bye.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you for sharing your vada recipe with Sum's Kitchen. It looks very tempting and I'm definitely going to try this and hope to see some more recipes from you in Sum's Kitchen. And viewers, please like, share and subscribe Sum's Kitchen. I'll see you soon with some other friend.